Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how I'm putting together a little baby basket from the Dollar Tree. Now everything is from the Dollar Tree with the exception of a couple items that I made myself. And I'll just go ahead really quick and tell you what I'm doing with that. So I made up, if you remember from my Dollar Tree haul on Tuesday, I bought some Epsom salt and I made some bath things for the baby to help the baby relax. And I use Serenity, my doTERRA Serenity oil, and my lavender oil. These are very relaxing oils, not only for babies, but for adults too. I use these a lot when I take a bath, and I just put them in Epsom salt and then dissolve them in my bath. So I made her a bottle of that. And then, if you remember the candle that I hauled for the baby's room, I made some wax melts to go on top of it. And this is, I used lavender. It smells so good. And I used a blend of Serenity and some baby oils and I can't remember what else, but I have a recipe for this if you would like to have it. And I also made one in just a little wax container. And this is made, again, with the essential oils and a soy candle. And all I did was melt the soy candle on the stove in a double boiler. And then I used an eyedropper. An eyedropper. And I dropped each one of these with a color. Now, I did add some color to these, but it's all natural color. It has no really dyes or anything in it. So I just dotted them out with the eyedropper on a piece of parchment paper on the pan, let them harden, and then scooped them up. So those were those things to go in there. And then I'm putting a little bottle of Peace. Now mom can use this, or she can roll it on the baby's bottom of the baby's feet. And it smells really good. This bottle is brand new. It's never been opened, so I don't want to crack it open, but it's a roller ball. And so then I'm just going to, I have taken my container. This is the Dollar Tree container, and I just filled it with tissue paper, and I just put a little blue tissue paper on the top. And then I have all the items here that I hauled, and so I'm going to start with some of my taller items, which, whoops, they're falling off. One of them would be this really cute footed towel. So I'm going to fold the thing back. I don't want to take it out of the package. I want mom to know that it's new. And I'm just going to lift the tissue paper up and I'm going to stick it in here like this. So the basket will help hold the little label thing back. I'm going to put that in there. And then the next tallest thing would be the little baby bib. So I'm going to put that right there in front of that. And I'll turn it around so you can see it in just a moment. Then I picked up, remember, some of these little nosy wipes. And I'm going to put those in the back right there. I guess I could turn it around and try to do it from backwards. Okay, and so the next thing I picked up were these little books. Now, I am making her a baby album, and so I didn't get it done with it in time. And so I will show you that when that gets done. But I just wanted to pick up this little, make her a little basket so I'd have something to give her at her baby shower. Now, I always include little books for babies, and these are very cute. They're little board books, and I think they're really cute. And then I picked up a little sippy cup. That'll go in there next. And then I gave her a carabiner. Now, I don't know if I remember if I told you this when I hauled these, but these are great to clip onto a stroller handle and say you want to hold your purse or a drink holder. Like when we go to a theme park, we have a drink holder with a handle on it. We slide those on the purse and it holds it. So everything I got in here has a little purpose, so I think I'll put that in front. And then I picked up these little baby booties. So we're going to tuck those in next. And then we have these cute little washcloths. I can't get over the quality of these from the Dollar Tree. So that. Then we have our little doggy washcloth. I think I'll stick him right here. Then I'm going to put the candle holder up front. And then the little wax melts on the side like this. And like this. Maybe I'll do this. Yeah. Okay, then we have the little bath time mixture that's going to go right there. And I'll just put the little tubby thing right there. And then the bottle of peace up front. So that is, I think that's a very cute little bath. Oh, wait, I forgot one thing. Oh, yes. I hauled this a while back for them. So we may have to readjust. Readjust. And you may find yourself readjusting things several times when you're putting together a basket, but you want to make sure they fit in there. I'm going to fold these back just a little bit. The little package. And stick it down there like that so that'll fit in there. Then we can put the bath like this so that you can see that it says bath. And then we'll just tuck the little oil right down in there. All right. Now, I bought one of these shrink wrap things to put it in. I am not using the bow for it. I don't particularly care for those bows. And so I'm not using them. Okay. I like these shrink wrap bags because they do give a little bit more stability to the baskets. I'm going to move the basket over. Oh, we got to put the carabiner back in there. There we go. I'm not sure I like those baby booties like that. There we go. Okay. So then we're just going to spread this out. Sorry for all the wrinkling. And I'm going to set my basket inside and pull it all up. Sort of scoot it over to a little bit more of the middle. Now I will probably use a piece of tape to tape these pieces right here in the back, but okay, sorry about that. I cut it out so you wouldn't hear all the wrinkling stuff. So all I did was I used a brand new hair scrunchie, and Mom can reuse this and to tie it up with. Now what I'm going to do, and I realize you can't see this right now, is that I'm going to cut off some of the top so that it has a cute little fan like top on it. And then we're going to shrink wrap it. And I have this on hot. Sorry about all that noise. But in case you're wondering, this works beautifully. Okay, so now I bought some little ribbon. And it's like a little bow. And I'm just going to attach it like this. But before I do, I'm going to take some of these little diaper pins that I have. And I'm going to tie them onto some of the little strands at the bottom. just to make cute little decoration. Whoops. There we go. Put a couple more on there. Just kind of hang a couple little diaper pins off of it. And let's put a green one on there somewhere. Let's see, we'll get this one up closer to the top so it'll hang at a different level. Oops. Well, this one doesn't want to tie for me because I'm on camera. Okay, got that little booger tied on there. So I'm just going to turn this around and stick the little bow on. And this comes with 2 of them. So I'm going to put both of them on there so it looks full. This one is for the front. I can get all the little paper off of it. And I'm just going to stick it straight onto the plastic. And then just kind of juice around the okay. And then I'm going to take the other one off and put it on the back. It's supposed to have an easy tag removal, and maybe for some people it is, but for me it is not. Okay, we finally got this sucker off. I'm just going to stick it right back there. Kind of juice it around a little bit. And so that is our basket. Let me tilt you up and then you'll be able to, I'll hold it up for you. Oops. Sorry for my hand being in the way. Okay, this is what the basket looks like. Isn't that adorable? And I just fan the top of it out. Make it pretty. So there it is. And everything stays in place because it's all shrink wrapped. Alright guys, thank you for joining me for this little episode of Create. And I will see you all again soon. Please make sure that if you have not subscribed to my channel, to go down there and hit that subscribe button. And when you do, the bell will pop up, and make sure that you tap that bell that says notify me every time that I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.